Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? So we are moving on to our next class this morning, which is skill. See, this particular area, you guys need to listen and focus. We have different kind of skill, and all skill has their uses. We have scale 1 in 100. This scale 1 in 100 means from year to year is 100. From year to year is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, 9 meters, 10 meters. We have scale 1 in 200, which is smaller to 1 in 100. Scale 1 in 200 is used to reduce drawing. From year to year is 200. From year to year is 400, 600, 800. This is 1 meter here. This 2 meter, this 3 meter, this 4, this 5 meters. We have scale 1 in 50. Scale 1 in 50 is bigger than scale 1 in 100. This one is used to enlarge drawing, to make it bigger. From year to year is 50. Under 50, make it 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. This is 1 meter, this 2 meter, this 3 meter. Those are the 3 important skills for architects you need to know. So let's move on in practicing it. Like I said earlier, your borderline comes first. Sorry, your tape. I've taught you guys how to set papers, so I don't need to go through that again because I already set this one down. So now we are doing our scale. Yeah, borderline. Like I said earlier, construction lines. These are our scale. So I'll be writing down the scale we are measuring this morning. We are measuring, we are doing 2 to 5. We are doing 600. We are doing 1.2. We are doing 1.5. So we are starting the scale 1. Let's practice scale 1 in 100 first. 1 in 100 first. Scale 1 in 100. 1 in 100. So now, your construction line, very tiny, very tiny. We are doing 2 to 5. I said from year to year is 100. So definitely this is 200. So our 2 to 5 will be somewhere here. So it's starting point 100, 100, 200, 2 to 5. You have get down already. Moving to scale 1 and moving to 600. From year to year is 500 because this is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So starting point 100, 500. Next one will be 600. Moving to 1, 2. Starting point. This is 1 meter. That's 1.1, 1.2. 1.5 starting point. 1 meter, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. That's for the scale. So you now measure 500 upward this way. 500 from this your construction line. 500 up, 500 down. Construction line. Please try and listen and don't rush to forward this video. Listen and watch it very carefully. So let's start our answer. This is our answer from 2 to 5. These lines I draw just guide. This is my main answer. You can see. You can see that I'm using different line weights now. I'm ticking it because I've already gotten my answer. So these are our results. Now, as you can see, I'm blowing after drawing because there are some particles that drop from your pencil, and if you're not blowing it out, if you are moving your set square, it will be staining your design, your drawing. That's why you see me keep blowing after I draw. So we say this one is 2, 2, 5. This one is 1.2. This one is 1.2. Sorry, there's a mistake. This one is 600. This one is 1.5. That is for scale 1 and 100. Let's move to scale 1 and 50. You will see the difference now. So, like I said earlier, your construction line. Bring your scale 500. I'm going to teach you something here. If you are moving your T-square, make sure your hand is at this edge. Press it like this. It will rise up. You now move it. You move it. If you are moving it on the paper directly, you will be staining your paper. Your work will be stained and rough. But when you put your hand at the edge, it will come up a little bit. You now move. You drop it when you are okay. You move it down. When you are okay, you drop it. So let's go to scale 1 and 50. Just scale 1 and 50. Like I said earlier, from year to year is 50, 100, 150, 200. So we are doing 2 to 5. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Our 225 will be immediately after the 200. So 600 starting point. This 500, this 600. 1.2, 1 meter, 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, 1 meter, 1.5. So you can see it's so much easier. That's if you listen and follow all the steps I'm showing you guys. Sorry, there's a mistake here. This one I should do. So I've gotten our answer already. These are the results. As you can see, in scale 1 and 100, these are 2 to 5. Look how small it is. Scale 150, see how 2 to 5. Look how big it is. So that's the difference between the scales. I'm still taking you guys on scale 1 and 200. That's the smaller one, smallest one. Please try and blow after you draw. That's when you're using thick lines. So these are our results. 2, 2. You can see that I'm writing with my architectural lettering. That's for scale 1 in 50. Let's go to 1 in 200. Construction line. Move down. So let's start. Like I said earlier, scale 1 in 200. From here to here is 200. So these are 225. This 200. So 225 will be immediate. We are having 600 or so. 200, 400, 600. These are 600. We are having 1.2. Starting point 200, 400, 600, 800, 1 meter, 1.2. We are having 1.5. This 1 meter, 1.2, 1.4, 1.5 will be this middle. So you see that scale 1 in 200 is more smaller. So this is the result. You can see 1 in 200 is big, 1 in 50 is bigger, 1 in 200 is smaller. So 225, 600, 1.2, 1.5. So this is the end of our tutorial today. So kindly practice this